Hello guys, welcome aboard Apex Math. My name is Pino. In this video, we solve the following fractional equation. In such situations, it's tempting to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD so that we can remove the fractional form of this equation. Our LCD is x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 6 multiplied by x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 9. Suppose that we were to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. On our first term, that x plus 5 will cancel out with that x plus 5 in the denominator, and we will have to multiply the x plus 6 multiplied by the x plus 8 multiplied by the x plus 9 with the x plus 4 in the numerator, leading us to deal with the fourth degree equation. So we are not going to multiply this by the LCD. Instead, we have x plus 4 divided by the x plus 5. So we add 0 in the numerator in the form of 1 minus 1. And this is still divided by the x plus 5 minus x plus 5. We also add 0 in the form of 1 minus 1. This is still divided through by the x plus 6 minus the x plus 7. We add 0 in the form of 1 minus 1. We divide through by the x plus 8. Even on the last term, we are going to add 0 to the x plus 8 in the form of 1 minus 1. This is divided by the x plus 9. This is equals to 0. So from here, we are going to add the 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. We'll also add that 5 plus 1, and also add the 7 plus 1 and the 8 plus 1. So we have x plus 1 minus 1 divided by the x plus 5 minus x plus 5 plus 1, which is equals to 6, minus 1 divided by x plus 6 minus x plus 7 plus 1 is equals to 8 minus 1 divided by the x plus 8. We have that 8 plus 1, which is equals to 9 minus 1. This is divided by x plus 9. We equate it to 0. So we have the x plus 5 and also have that x plus 6 and also have that x plus 8 and that x plus 9, and they match what we have in the denominator. And now suppose that we had a minus b divided by a. This can be expressed as a divided by a minus b divided by a. And a divided by a is equals to 1. And we have minus b divided by a. Our fractional equation has been arranged in the same way. So we have x plus 5 in the numerator and the denominator, and also x plus 6 in the numerator and the denominator. We have x plus 8 in the numerator and the denominator, and x plus 9 in the numerator and x plus 9 in the denominator. So we are going to simplify only the first term and deduce the rest. So we have x plus 5 divided by x plus 5 minus 1 divided by x plus 5. The x plus 5 divided by that x plus 5 will be equals to 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 5 minus the second term. So we are done with that first term, and this second term will be equal to 1. I am not going to split the remaining 3 terms. We can actually deduce how they will simplify from the first term. So the second term will be equal to the 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 6 minus the third term, which will simplify to 1 minus 1 divided by the x plus 8 plus the fourth term, which will simplify to 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 9. And this will be equal 0. Our equation will be equal 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 5. Let's distribute that negative. So negative multiplied by 1 will be negative 1. And that negative multiplied by negative 1 in the numerator will be positive 1, which we divide with the x plus 6. We distribute that negative. So negative multiplied by 1 will be negative 1. The negative multiplied by negative 1 over x plus 8 will be equal positive 1 divided by x plus 8 plus 1 minus 1 divided by the x plus 9, and this will be equal 0. So from here we can see that 1 minus 1 will be 0, and the negative 1 plus 1 will also be equal 0. We rearrange our equation, and on the left hand side we are going to have that 1 divided by x plus 6. So we have on the left hand side 1 divided by x plus 6, and we also have that negative 1 divided by x plus 5. So we have negative 1 divided by the x plus 5. We transpose the rest of the terms to the right. So we start with that negative 1 over x plus 9. It will change sign to positive 1 divided by x plus 9. And the positive 1 over x plus 8, we transpose it to the right, it will change sign to negative 1 divided by x plus 8. Our LCD on the left hand side will be equal x plus 6 multiplied by x plus 5, and we have that negative in the middle, and the 1 multiplied by x plus 6 will be equal x plus 6, and the x plus 5 multiplied by 1 will be equal x plus 5. On the right side, we also take the LCD, which will be equal x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 8.
1 multiplied by x plus 8 is equal x plus 8, and our middle sign will be negative, and 1 multiplied by x plus 9 will be equal x plus 9. On the left hand side, our numerator will be equal x plus 5. We distribute that negative, so negative multiplied by x is negative x. Negative multiplied by positive 6 will be equal negative 6 divided by, in the denominator, let's distribute that x. So x multiplied by x will be x squared. X multiplied by 5 will be equal positive 5x. 6 multiplied by x will be equal 6x. And 6 multiplied by 5 will be equal to 30. And on the right hand side, our numerator will be equal the x plus 8. We distribute that negative, so negative multiplied by x is equal negative x. Negative multiplied by 9 is equal negative 9. In the denominator, we start by distributing that x, so x multiplied by x will be equal x squared. X multiplied by 8 will be equal to 8x, and 9 multiplied by x is equal 9x, and 9 multiplied by 8 is equal 72. So from here, we have that x minus x, which will be 0. 5 minus 6 will be equal negative 1. So our numerator is negative 1 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6x will be equal 11x plus 30. And this will be equal, so that x minus x will be 0. 8 minus 9 will be equal negative 1 divided by x squared. So the 8x plus 9x will be equal 17x plus 72. We multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1 to remove those negatives, and we cross multiply. So you have x squared plus 17x plus 72 equal x squared plus 11x plus 30. So that x squared will cancel out with that x squared, and we have 17x on the left hand side. We transpose that 11x, it will change sign to negative 11x, which will be equal 30. We transpose that 72, it will change sign to negative 72. 17x minus 11x will be equal 6x, which will be equal 30 minus 72, which will be equal negative 42. Dividing both sides of the equation by 6, on the left hand side, that 6 and that 6 will cancel out, and finally our x will be equal negative 42 divided by 6, which is equal negative 7. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, like and share the channel if you find this content interesting.